All right, today we're gonna be checking out some watch bands from this company called TK Bands. These would be considered luxury bands for my not my my watch Ultra. All right, I paid about $100 for three bands. All right, that's your white one. There's black. All right, and this is some brown or dark red. Just depends on how you look at it. Alright, you can see the most unique thing about them is the buckle. Like I said, it's gonna give your watch Ultra, your Samsung Watch Ultra, a luxury feel. Alright, I'll pop one on. You guys can check it out. I will leave the link in the description below. You don't have to buy all three. Actually, they have another color as well. And check out the website and they have a few other colors on there you can choose from. Those were the two magnets I was showing you that's gonna keep your watch buckled. All right. You see, I barely get it over my fat hand, but it's gonna fit most people. My hand's pretty wide, so and as you can see, it's easy to buckle. The magnet hold pretty strong, and that's how it looks. All right. We'll switch up the watch face so we can get a better feel for the luxury look. All right. You might have seen this video I posted. I don't know, about 4 months ago on this watch face or watch bezel, and we're gonna try it out with the. Oh, we're gonna try it out with the watch band first, white band first, right? And I'll drop the link in the description for the watch bezel as well, or the watch face. Squeeze it on my fat hand again, and yeah, now it looks a lot better. The gold tone face on it, real nice. Like I said, just give you a luxury feel, give you some more options for wearing your smartwatch. You know, doesn't have to look like a smartwatch. All right. Let's check it out with the brown band. Yeah, I like this one. This more of a classic look. That brown on gold kind of look, real nice. I think this is probably it's probably my favorite color to wear. Just depends on what color my outfit is. I'm trying to color coordinate. But yeah, like I said, I'll drop the link in the description below. They do have two other colors to choose from. Drop your comments below. Let me know what color is your favorite.